Hey everybody, it's Robb Colley with eXp Realty. We are actually here at 129 Old Shell Place in Mobile, historic district. You know, it's like one block away from the oldest restaurant in Mobile, the Dewdrop Inn. So we're gonna turn around and we're gonna check it out real quick, see what we're looking at. 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's had a lot of updates. You got parking that you can do here in the roundabout, but you're gonna have parking over to the right of the house. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get about 5 cars over there. Make sure we zoomed. There we go. But the outside's been painted. HVAC is elevated and has been put in a cage. But it's a nice lot, great location. I don't have anything that's really jumping out at me right now. Let's see if I can get in here real quick. We'll come back and do that with a picture. I'm not gonna fight with it while I'm on video right now. But yeah, this is 129 Old Shell. Got plenty of room for parking over here. We're gonna go on the inside here in just a minute. All right, we're on the inside now of 129 Old Shell Place. Got nice hardwood floors. You know, like I said earlier, this one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Been recently updated. Living room, dining room. We'll go over there in a minute to the master. Kitchen's been updated. There is no fridge. We'll need to get a fridge. You know, the original cabinets, they're wood. These are not granite, but they look good. Laundry room, right off the kitchen. Like a newer water heater. It is gas. Right, the wash and dryer hookups, looks good. But you're gonna have fridge here. You're gonna have to measure that out because more than likely it will not be a side-by-side, but that's no biggie for the model that we're working with. Breaker panel there in the kitchen. First we're going to go to the master. It's a pretty large room. They've updated the flooring, updated the ceiling fan, smoke detectors. I came in a while ago to open the closets just to show you where this room does have a lot of closet space. I'm going to close those back up. We'll need blinds in this room. All right, master with a tub, single vanity, and a linen nook in the corner. All right, that's bedroom 1, which is the main bedroom, master or primary. Living room has a closet right here. You know, which could be good because you know you got a gas line for there, but also if you want to put the TV over the fireplace, you got the red line right here. All right, bedroom 1, hardwood floors, new paint, a little touch up right around where they took the curtain rods down. Hall bath. Nice little retro style going. Another little storage nook closet. This is actually the 3rd bedroom. And the 4th. Now, this room is large. So you got 2 large bedrooms and 2 standard bedrooms. All right, let me know what you think.